In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text all uppercase in Canva, whether you're working on a poster, an invitation, or any design that requires text emphasis. Converting text to uppercase can make a significant difference in visual impact. Let's walk through this simple process step by step so you can do it effortlessly. To begin, ensure that you have your Canva design open and ready. This initial step is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the design where your text resides. You might be launching a new project or perhaps making tweaks to an existing one. In either case, the process remains simple and accessible, just a click away. Now, with your design in full view, locate the specific text that you want to transform into uppercase. If you're working on a complex or crowded canvas, here's a helpful tip. Consider zooming in or using the grid view to make sure you're selecting the correct text element easily. Next, click directly on the text box you wish to modify. This action opens up a panel filled with a variety of editing options, either at the top or on the side, depending on your interface settings. Think of this panel as your command center for text edits. The next step involves locating the uppercase conversion tool within this editing panel. Here, you'll find a series of icons, but what you're really after is the icon that represents the letters A and A. This icon is specifically designed for both lowercase and uppercase transformations, serving as a toggle for your text. Once you've found it, click on the icon. Instantly, your selected text will transform to all uppercase, making it stand out and fulfill the visual purpose you're aiming for. And there you have it. This is such a quick and effective way to amplify your design's message. This feature is especially useful if you're crafting designs like advertisements or headlines where making a bold statement is necessary. However, while working on your designs, keep in mind that uppercase text can dramatically impact readability. It's always a good idea to preview your design after making such changes to ensure it aligns well with your overall aesthetic and remains reader-friendly. This simple check can make a significant difference in the final output of your project. So, to recap, first select the text you want to modify, click on it to activate the text editing panel, and then click on the A and A icon to convert your text to all uppercase. It's quick, easy, and a skill that will definitely enhance your Canva experience. I hope this tutorial makes your Canva journey a little smoother and a bit more creative. Keep experimenting with different design elements, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy designing!